stencil paper, dental bibs, practice fake skin, ink, tattoo grit tape, stickers, ink cups, black ink, 2 battery packs, tattoo pen, ointment, needles.
This color TAA thing, y'all.
Let's put it together.